What is going on, everybody? Woo! So, what I'm about to do is test this motor, see if it's working. There we go. It's a moment of truth. I got it hooked up to my other stealth bike, but I just need to know that the motor system works. So, it's a moment of truth. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Please turn, please turn. Okay, here we go. I am so nervous. Oh, shit, wait a minute. Oh! Oh yeah, she's fucking alive, man. Hold up. Shit. Oh man. I I don't know what to say. I don't know what to say, but hot diggity damn, this motherfucker is about to be rolling. Woo! I gotta cut down my chain to the right size, and I have the tool to do that right here. But oh yeah, this is on and cracking, man. It's alive. I'm about to hook this motherfucker up. It'll be rolling soon, y'all. Stay tuned. Batman of Inglewood signing out.